Pressed it.
Doesn't matter. Right, so hi guys, once again. This is my second to last. This is my fifth.
Move
gun.
back a bit.
This is my fifth ever gun, the Sling Fire. It was crap. Got jammed a few times, but was able to be used. This is my friend's. I don't know what her name is. This gun. Right, so yeah. Right, so yeah. This was his from, I don't know.
17.
Right, this was his from 2017, so yeah, this is not even an Nerf gun. I don't know why I picked this.
It's a X shot.
It still shoots Nerf bullets. It's an X shot. It was my...
Harry, you just swore in a video.
What?
You just swore in a video.
X shot. X shot. So this was my first ever gun. It shoots like little discs in the top and Nerf bullets.
Yeah. Pretty
This
boring.
is my brother's. He had them marked. Right, so yeah, it's a zombie mega. It's a Nerf still. All these are Nerf. We got two new ones.
Oh,
the Recon and the Modulus. Two Modulus. And this is my brother's from 2006. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Six?
moving on to this one. This is mine. The crossbow. It was a crossbow before my brother broke off this. So we used it as a little shotgun, but we have to pull the top back and fire. This is a zombie Nerf. It's called. It's a zombie strike, yeah. So that's
Wait, the other one's a zombie strike as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a zombie hammer shot.
That's a zombie strike too.
It's a zombie hammer shot.
It's a zombie strike as well.
Yeah, it's the zombie strike.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is from 2015, yeah, 2 years ago.
You said 2000
This is another one of my friends. There's another one of my friends right there. And
I ain't gonna show them. I've actually showed them all.
right, so
Your
yeah.
friends.
Yeah, so this is a rebel. She's a girl anyway. Right. I don't know what her name is. Still.
Harry.
What? Yeah, sisters. I don't know what her name is still. I don't listen to her. This is a rebel Nerf. Only shoots 3, and it keeps one down there. They can have any attachments on the top. And this is my sister's too. A Mega Magnus Nerf. There was a zombie one until we did.
Harry, you said my sisters.
Yeah.
My sisters.
Oh yeah, it's my friend's sisters.
That one's mine.
Yeah.
But the pink one's my sisters. We still use it because why not?
This is a Magnus, so yeah.
It's a Magnus.
Like that. This is another one of my friends.
Does it say?
Right, so yeah.
Yeah.
This is another strong arm. So is that, but blue and white. Blue white on top. This is same as that, but no sign on it. This one's a saber flipped over.
It's an elite.
Look, that's an elite one.
And that's just the same. Skip
Just
all
the
those.
Right. This is a rough cut 2x4 shotgun.
It's really good
Shoots
shotgun.
2 at a time. And my knees.
Ow!
Right. This is a Recon Mark 11. The new season. Yeah. I can't be bothered showing you.
Harry, can you step back please? Because
That's an AK-47 stock. And this, it just, whatever it's called, I don't care. All that. And this is my friend's too. A Modulus.
AK-47.
AK-47, whatever. This is the scoop. And this is my
We forgot to take the attachments off for each other's guns.
This is how long bit.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's all of them.
Ammo!
Oh yeah, I know. These two shoot 6 at a time. So
One's mine, one's his.
What? That one's mine, that one's my friend's. This 10 one is mine.
These 18s, the 18s are mine, and this is mine. And yeah, we kind of traded one of those each, remember?
Yeah, I give
12.
I give her out 12.
So yeah, that's it for this video.
I actually have 3 12s.
Okay. How are you doing? Watch out.
Bye guys. Make sure